Hello everyone, my name is Salsa Bilari Mahfatihah. I'm from Mathematics Education in University PGRI Madiun. In here, I will explain about geometric solid. What are solid shapes? In mathematics, we study shapes and their different types and try to apply them in real life. Solid shapes are classified into several categories. Some of them have curved surface. Some are in the shape of pyramid or prism. Solid shape definition. Solid shapes are three-dimensional shapes that have like breadth and height as the three dimensions. It is called three-dimensional or 3D because there are three dimensions: width, depth, and height. The geometrical figures are classified based on the dimension as follows. First, zero-dimensional shape. A zero-dimensional shape is the shape that has no length, no breadth, and no height. For example, a point. Two, one-dimensional shape. A one-dimensional shape has only dimension. For example, a line has a length as its dimension. Three, two-dimensional shape. A shape that has height and breadth as two dimensions. For example, square, triangle, rectangle, parallelogram, trapezoid, rhombus, quadrilateral, polygon, circle, etc. For three-dimensional shape, a shape with three dimensions, e.a. like breadth and height. For example, cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, sphere, pyramid, prism, etc. 5. Higher dimensional shape. There are a few shapes expressed in dimension higher than 3, but we usually do not study them in middle level mathematics. Element of solid shape. Solid shape and object are different from two-dimensional or 2D shapes and objects because of the presence of the three dimensions like breadth and height. As a result of these three dimensions, these objects have face, edges, and vertices. First, face. A face is a single flat surface of a solid shape, and there can be more than one face of a shape. Two, vertices. A vertex is a point where two or more lines meet, forming a corner. It is also the point of intersection of edges. 3. Edges. And edge is a line segment at the boundary of a solid shape that join one vertex to another. The edges serve as the junction of two faces. 4. Volume. Every solid shape occupies some volume, which is not the case in a two-dimensional object. Solids have properties or special things about them, such as 1. Volume, or think of how much water it could hold. 2. Surface area, or think of the area you would have to paint. 3. How many vertices or corner points, face, and edges they have. There are two main types of solid: polyhedra and non-polyhedra. Polyhedra are the must-have flat face. First, cups and cuboid, or volume of a cuboid. 2. Platonic solid. 3. Prism. And 4. Pyramid. Non-polyhedra are when any surface is not flat. 4. Sphere. 2. Torus. 3. Cylinder. And 4. Cone. First, cube. Consider a cube of ice in the thigh of your friend. All six faces of the cube are the same, which also makes it a square prism. Even a Rubik cube or a playing disc are examples of a cube. This is what makes it a solid 3D object. A cube is a symmetrical three-dimensional shape contained within six actual squares. It may be solid or hollow. A cube is a solid that has 6 square faces, 8 vertices, and 2 of edges. 2. Cuboid. Any box-shaped object resembles the shape of a cuboid. It has a total of 6 faces and all the angles of the cuboid stand at a right angle. An example of a cuboid shape is a matchbook or a smartphone. It is solid rectangular shape with 6 faces, each of which is a rectangle. It has a total of 8 vertices and 12 edges. Of them, it is also referred to as a rectangular prism. A cuboid is a solid that has 6 rectangular faces, 8 vertices, and 12 edges. Polytonic solid. Polytonic solid have identical faces to regular polygon. There are 5 polyhedron. First, tetrahedron with 4 equilateral anterior triangular faces. 2. Octahedron with 8 equilateral anterior triangular faces. 3. Dodecahedron with 12 pentagon faces. 4. Icosahedron with 20 equilateral anterior triangular faces. 5. Hexahedron or cube with 6 square faces. 4. Prism. A prism is a solid object with identical ends, flat face, and no surface. A prism has two identical shapes facing each other and can be of different types, such as triangular prism, hexagonal prism, pentagonal prism, etc. A unique feature of a prism is that it has the same cross-section through its leg. A prism is a solid shape with two identical shapes that face each other. The different types of prism are triangular prisms, square prisms, pentagonal prisms, hexagonal prisms, etc. Prisms are also broadly classified into regular prism and oblique prism. 5. Pyramid. The pyramid base is flat with straight edges and the remaining faces of the pyramid are triangle. There are no curves in a pyramid. It is a polyhedron with a polygon base and all lateral faces in a triangle shape depending on the alignment with the center of the base. A pyramid can be further classified as a regular or an oblique pyramid. A pyramid is a polyhedron with a polygon base and all its lateral faces are triangular in shape. Pyramids are typical categories by the shape of their base. A pyramid with first a triangular base is known as a tetrahedron. 2. A quadrilateral base is known as a square pyramid. 3. A pentagon base is known as a pentagonal pyramid. 4. A regular hexagon base is known as a hexagonal pyramid. Sphere. A sphere is round in shape, like the moon or a ball. It is perfectly symmetrical and it has no edges or vertices, so it has only one surface. Every point a sphere is located such that it is at a equal distance from a central point of the sphere. The following are formula related to the sphere shape. Total surface area for πr quadrat, where r is the radius of the sphere. A sphere is a solid figure with a round shape. It has a curved surface defined in three-dimensional space. Every point on the surface of a cube is equidistant from the center. 7. Torus. Torufex. Notice these interesting things. First, it can be made by revolving a small circle or radius r along a line made by a bigger circle or radius. 2. It has no edges or vertices. 3. It is not a polyhedron. 8. Cylinder. Consider a can of your favorite fruit juice. It has a flat base and top, both the same size. Going from the base to the top, the shape of the cylinder remains the same. Also, it has one curved side that connects the base to the top. A cylinder is a solid with a curved surface joining its top and bottom circular base. Think of it as a can of tubes. The following are formula related to the cylinder shapes. 9. Cone. A cone is a distinctive three-dimensional geometric figure with a flat and curved surface pointed toward the top. A cone has three dimensions until its radius, height, and strength height. A bit the cap and a funnel are some examples of the concept. In here, the following are formula related to the concept. That it's all for me. Thank you.